All right, everybody, welcome to my Python video series. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Python 3 on your Windows laptop. Let's get started. First of all, go to Google and search Python download. Hit enter. Then what you will need to do is to click the official website for Python, that is python.org, and download the latest version of Python. Um, as at this time, recording this video, the latest version for Windows is or was 3.9.6. So click download Python, and I'm going to save that. Now, once the download is done, you should see your Python .exe file version 3.9 in your download folder. Okay, so just click on that and go through the installation process, which should be very easy to do. Now, I have already installed that, and it's not going to allow me do the installation again. But trust me, the installation is simple. You just have to use the recommended settings, click next, 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 install, and that is it. Okay. So now, once you are done installing Python, what you need to do is search Python idle. Okay, so the idle 3.9. Then you can pin this to your start menu if you want, and open that. All right, so this is the Python idle, and we can start writing some codes in here like print hello world. Got it wrong. Hello world. Now, once I hit enter, we have hello world being printed in our idle. So I can say x equals 79. I'll go ahead and print, say I am X, and then yes old. Let me give some space. Yes old. Okay, then I have to convert this to string, which we are going to talk about this in my upcoming videos. Okay, so go ahead and print this. I am 79 years old printed over here. Now, one thing we can do before we move to the next video is to configure our idle. So I'll go to options and configure. Okay, so we say you can select your favorite font. Okay, also you can choose font size. I'm going to use 18. Okay, and I can also change the theme here, but I think I would like the, let me check the new and see how. So that's, click on apply. Okay, so this is the new. No, I don't like this. Configure, highlight. I'll go with the dark. Yeah, that's cool. The dark is okay. So I'll click apply. Okay, yeah, I think I like this one. It looks nicer to me. Okay, so you can start writing some Python codes here, but if you want to work on a file, okay, you can click file and new file, and you have a new file opened over here where you can also start writing your codes in there. Okay, hi. Then you can run the program by clicking on F5, or you click run and run Moodle. Then of course you need to save that on desktop. I'm going to save that as test.py. All right, so that's it's now running. Okay. And another thing I would like to configure is the line numbers. So click options and click show line numbers. Now we have our lines being numbered, and this will help us in debugging. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this. See you in my next tutorial. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day.